Students on the Staten Island campus have access to a world-class global university, but we do that in a small, quiet, peaceful campus.
No place better than New York City to have for internships, for jobs, you name it.
Classes average around 12 to 15 students.
We have really great professors. Our professors are experts in their field.
I wasn't really expecting to have such a close relationship with my professors.
We're seeing them in classrooms, we're seeing them at workshops, we're seeing them on one-on-one appointments, we're seeing them at events. The campus is small and intimate, and there's almost no way you could not do that.
They're all willing to help you no matter what.
Our students do so many things involved in student service and student outreach all around the world. The Vincentian spirit is alive and well here on Staten Island campus. That's a big part of what we do here, and it's nice because you see the overall development of the students.
Giving back, serving those in need, and reflecting is a huge part here at St. John's University.
Our global university connections bring our international world right here to Staten Island and send our kids on a regular basis to some of the most interesting parts of the world.
Studying abroad was my chance to explore, kind of get to know myself and grow up.
I'm a member of the Ozanam Scholars Program. It's a 4-year scholars program where we do travel every single year. So I've been to Puerto Rico, Rome, Paris, Ecuador, London, Ireland, places that I wouldn't really have gotten the opportunity to go to at such a young age had I not gone to this university.
So the basketball games are very popular, and when we have the opportunity to go, a lot of my friends, we all go together. And having that connection with the basketball team, having the students be able to meet them.
Definitely encourage all the freshmen to go. It's what makes St. John's.
One of the exciting things about St. John's is that we have over 178,000 alumni, and majority of them are living here in the New York area, which allows us to bring them back to campus for presentations and mentoring and really to connect with our students. We are proud of the fact that our placement rate, which includes students that are either employed or pursuing graduate school within 6 months of graduation, is over 94%.
This is what college is all about. It's all about making those connections, figuring out the person that you want to be and the person you aspire to be, how you're going to get there.
Here at St. John's, I feel more comfortable speaking about my passions. I feel like I found my voice.
We care very much about you and will work our hardest to make you succeed.